In this video, we will learn how to create an assignment type activity for a particular course in e-learning. Okay, I'm in the e-learning homepage. Go to my course, turn editing on, click add an activity or resource. I will choose assignment. We have to give the assignment name. Chapter 1 assignment. This assignment is for 10 marks. If I tick this, the description will be shown on the page, otherwise it will not. Here is the place where you upload your assignment questions. I have a PDF file of questions, so I'll click add. I'll choose that file from the desktop. Click upload this file. The file will be uploaded there. Then availability. When should you open the assignment and when is the due date? Time being, I am disabling it. So the teacher has to set the schedule. Now, submission type. How the student is going to submit the files. As a file or online text. Yes, I am choosing file submission. The student can submit 20 files at a time. This is the size limit. What type of files you are accepting? Choose all type of files. So star will appear here. Now here we need to see the settings for the grade. Okay, the maximum grade is 10 and the passing grade is 5. Save and return to the course. Your assignment is ready. Click turn editing off. Now how the student is going to see this assignment? We will go to a sample student login. So I have a sample ID already created. So the student has logged in. The student has enrolled to the same course, Pure Math section 9. So that will appear here. The student will click on it. At the bottom, he will see chapter 1 assignment. The student will click on it. Okay, add a submission. Okay, the student has to upload the file here. The student will see the question file here. He can click, download the questions, see the question and answer it. Either he will create a photo of the answers or he may create a PDF or Word document. Click on this. I have two JPG files. So let it be named with the student ID. So we have to give the instruction to the student. You should give the file name as student ID page 1, page 2 like that. Open. Upload the file. Then he has to click again and upload the second file. He can upload a maximum of 20 files and the size limit is 500 MB. So the student has submitted the files. Now save changes. The student can of course give a comment for the teacher. So the two files will appear here. Comment. Assignment is submitted as 2 files. Save the comment. Time being, the student can edit the submission or remove the submission. Okay, he has done it. Now let us go to the teacher's page. Let's see how the teacher see the assignment from the student. So the teacher will click on that. Then see 27 participants are there. Only one student has submitted and one needs grading. That means the teacher does not grade it yet. View all submissions. All the enrolled participants are shown here. This student only submitted. So the two files will be shown here. We will grade it. So those JPG files will be converted to PDF already and it will be displayed here. So now the teacher can use these tools to correct. So this teacher wish to add a comment here. values are correct. Then he can highlight by using these tools. The teacher wants to draw a line, okay, then the square, the circle, and this is the highlighter. You can choose the color. Then this is the stamp. Okay, the common stamps are cross and tick. The teacher will tick the answers, or if anything wrong, go to the next page. Okay, there was some mistake in this. He can put a smiley. So this way he will correct the assignment. The teacher can put the grade here. Okay, the teacher is giving the grade 7. The teacher can see the comment from that student. Assignment is submitted as 2 files. Your assignment is graded. Save the comment. So any feedback you want to give, you can give that. Then click Save Changes. Now let us see how the student will see it. The teacher is back on his assignment page. Now this is the student login. I am refreshing it. I can see that a comment is there from the teacher, because before it was 1, now it is 2. So your assignment is graded. The grade is not shown here. Now come back to the teacher page. View all submissions. Go to the edit section and click prevent submission changes. That means the student cannot submit again. No editing or resubmission or removal. Okay, now come to the student page. Next time the student is logging in, he will see the grade. And here the 2 buttons have gone. Edit submission and remove submission has gone because the teacher already accepted graded. Now this is the answer page. When the student click on this, he can see this PDF file with the teacher's comment. So when the student click on that, he will see the comment there. So the stamps are there, the highlighting, everything will be there. And the student will also see the marks. So this is how you create an assignment. The student submit, you grade it, and the student view the grade.